Eat to defeat menopause symptoms. Making smart choices at mealtime can make you feel better during menopause and beyond. While it's unlikely any single ingredient can magically make your symptoms disappear, eating more of these good-for-you foods may help you be happier and healthier during menopause and beyond. Weighing in at less than 100 calories per cup, blueberries also provide fiber and more than 14 grams of vitamin C, making them a good choice for your menopause diet. Foods that contain natural sources of soy could potentially help with hot flashes, a common menopause symptom, says Ruth Freckman, M.A., Rhode, a registered dietitian and a spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics in Los Angeles. You would also have to eat a huge quantity of soy to have a measurable effect on menopause symptoms, adds Wolf Yushin, M.D., Ph.D., a consultant in women's health at the Cleveland Clinic and founding president and executive director emeritus of the North American Menopause Society. Dr. Yushin says that's not advisable because of the high calorie count. Consider them for better menopause treatment. Make foods for heart health another part of your menopause management strategy, since the risk of heart disease increases in postmenopausal women. Non-dairy sources of calcium include dark, leafy vegetables, like kale, and dried beans. Calcium and vitamin D are important in preventing bone loss.